Introducing the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q 27-inch 4K UHD LED Backlit LCD IPS USB-C monitor. With its sleek design and vibrant display, it's the perfect addition to any workspace. Featuring a 27-inch diagonal 4K UHD IPS screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, this monitor supports virtually seamless multi-display setups. Its in-plane switching, IPS, technology ensures consistent and vibrant colors from any viewing angle. Stay connected with ease using the various connectivity options, including DisplayPort, HDMI, USB ports, and audio line out. This monitor also comes with a variety of display features, such as tilt, swivel, pivot, VESA mount compatibility, and anti-glare properties. With LED backlights and Energy Star certification, you can enjoy exceptional visuals while being environmentally conscious. Plus, the monitor boasts a 99% sRGB color gamut, providing accurate and vibrant color representation. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're purchasing from outside the US, you may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Make sure to check before purchasing. Experience the best in display technology with the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q 27-inch 4K UHD LED Backlit LCD IPS USB-C monitor. Get yours today and elevate your productivity to new heights.